Right, morning guys, afternoon. So, I have just been to pick up my bike. By the way, EMTV Adventures rocks. Paul's here.
Hello.
We're just out having a gallivanting. There's Paul. We're just having a quick test on bike because we have had the chain was worn. So, I put a new chain on it. Then it wouldn't work because we needed a new ring on it. So got a race face on it, and then what we've had to do is replace all the sprockets as well because they was worn as well. So now it's a whole new drive system. All is looking good. Stops. So it's not a big ride. We're just testing this out just to make sure it's okay, and the gears are working all right. So join me later on, further on up the road, and give it a good tester. Right, so like I said, just a little ride, couple of miles, testing bike out, making sure gears are okay and everything. So just going down cobbles, down towards the what's it called, Paul? Turkey, or is it called? Goose Eye, that's it. So yeah, heading out of Goose Eye. If you want any food and anything, they do a fantastic meal. And we're going to go up probably the steepest hill around here. They even went up this in Tour of Britain. Yeah, Tour of Britain, because when Tour de France came through, they went up, yeah, Ebden Bridge way. So we're going to go up this steep bit here. Right, so this is probably one of the steepest hills about. You can't tell on this, but it is.
Oh, it's steep.
It is steep. I'm going right up into smaller, bigger rings here to make life easy. So yeah, up here, to get up here, you take a right, it takes you over to Laycock, to take a left, it takes you over to Sutton and Craven, Yorkshire Bumps, Tarn. We're going to do a little Copy Lane trip, just a bit on the road, then I'm going to leave Paul and just have 20 minutes in mud. So
You need your mud fixed here.
I need my mud fix. I can't go out on bike and not get muddy. So Doug, if you're watching this, bro, it's a really good job. You didn't get here last week because I went 1 mile up the road, 1 mile back, and that was the ride because my gears just was not working without rings being worn. So yeah, bro, it's a good job you didn't come. But anyway, we're all fixed up now. There's a good percentage is that hill. Anyway, like I say, it's not a big one. It's just a bike test. And it's blowing a bloody tornado out here. It's windy as shit. Whoa, that's why I'm in EMTV, battling against it. So, just had to find a place out of wind. This is windy up here. I mean windy. And the wind is rattling around my lobes. Proper rattling them round. I mean, my brain size of a pea, and even that's getting rattled. So, Paul, it's a wee bit headwind, that, innit?
I've got snot hanging down my nose like Tarzan's rope.
Tell me about it. God, the wind's just knocking it out of my nose. So, yeah. This is windy, man. Even that bird there is having trouble trying to get in flight. So, yeah, reason why I've just had to find a place out of wind to do this.
I heard this whistling, and do you know what it was? It was blowing in one ear and coming out of the
Yeah,
other.
I know. I'd say my lobes are frozen. Especially the left one.
Yeah.
It is really icy. Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, so we've got some more. Once we get about another mile up road, it's going to be behind us. So we'll be okay. In fact, I've just gone light-headed and dizzy now. Whoa. Yeah. So yeah, we'll continue. So far, gears are working okay. There's no slipping road, so it's always a good sign. Right, so just heading up. Luckily, just out wind a little bit here, and the wind should be pushing us upwards. The wind has been in front of us all this way. Whew. Yeah, I even got biking the MTB out there just so I can battle this bloody wind. Whoa. So just up here, I'm going to be taking a right. Paul's going to continue straight forward. I'm going to go through a little bit of mud before going home. Wash the bike. Happy days. And then I might go down to Asda and get some chicken. Buck, 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 buck. And that's my plan for the day. Nothing.
Some baby.
So left Paul now. I thought I'd just come home this way. Go through a little bit of mud and then head home. Your bike will rinse off, then I can get everything sprayed up with all new stuff on. Plenty of water through here, lads, plenty of water through here. So oh, don't open hot way, dude. I've got to walk 10 miles to shut you. Oh, it's lifting up. Yeah. So, so far, so good. In fact, when I was down at the bike shop, down at Robin's, I walked up to a bike thinking it was mine. Robin walked up to it twice thinking it was mine. It was mine. I was reunited with my old 140. I says, I bet you 20 quid. I says, if I take that off there, there's a red sticker. And yep, my old bike. And the story goes, it fell off his rack on the back of the car, snapped his handlebars. So that's what it was there for, to get new bars on. But yeah, never thought I'd ever see my old bike again. I even took a picture of it. So, what are the chances of that? What are the chances? Some springs on. Whoa, sideways here, Dukes of Hazzard style. This wind is coming in from side of me now. But on the way in, we're facing right in front of us. What a nightmare. But main thing is, been out 7.5 miles so far. At least I'm doing a little bit. Get home, sort it out, get some food in, have a chilled afternoon. All weddings are edited. Happy days. And tomorrow, weather's got to be crap. Just keep tickling a little bit here, a little bit there on gear switch. So yeah, this bike's back up and running. Although no gears are worn now because it's all new. Give me a bit of faith and trust now for summer days. Not worse than a chain snapping while you're out on bike. I know, it's happened, which you can see in one of my previous videos from a year ago. So yeah, by the time I get home I'll have done 10 miles, but at least it's 10 miles I wouldn't have done. So I'm happy with that. Happy February, by the way, guys. January has gone so fast. It's gone amazingly fast. Amazingly. Feels like forever when it was Christmas Day and Boxing Day. So, when better weather comes, I'm going to start advertising group ride. We're going to meet up over this side and we'll do a 20-30 miler out over at Tops. Okay, so I'll keep you all posted on that. Like I say, it's a good job with Doug didn't come over last Sunday. That would have been a wasted trip from Harrogate to go a mile up road and back. So yeah, the sun was shining on you, Doug. The sun was shining on you that day. But system's all running now. So yeah, all's good. Just wondering if he'd put bar back on the derailleur actually. That was just a thought. Yeah, he's locked it back. Because it's got like a choke on it, kind of thing. Anyway, it's on. I was going to check it about an hour ago, but never got around to it. To be fair, I forgot about it. But anyway. So yeah, I figured might as well just take it instead of going down on the road. Might as well take it down a bit of mud. Do it that way. It's going to get a wash when I get in anyhow, and a lube up. So, right, let's tickle, shall we? Right on it and a left on here now. We don't want to go up that way. We used to go to a pub up there. But, if you want some nice grub, where I go quite regular now. Been a couple of times in the last few weeks. Steeton Hall. The food there is cock on. Absolutely nice is that. It's not at Steeton before you get to Silsden. It's called Steeton Hall. If you live local and you plan on getting married there, they do weddings as well. I do a lot of weddings there because I'm a wedding photographer. I do most of the weddings there, to be fair. Good priced, good food. Wow. Yeah, so on last Sunday, we got as far as here. And the bike was just not, I wasn't going to risk killing my brand new chain on one sprocket, so 5 minutes up the road, 5 minutes back, that was my ride out. Anyway, we know it's all hunky-dory now. It's all hunky-dory. Whoa, do you see that? That's how windy it is. He's trying to take my wheel off me. that's that Newsham. Sometimes we go through there. So I'll tell you what, let's wrap this up and we'll see what next decent ride out, as this was just a tester with all the new chain rings and everything. So yeah, we'll see you on the next ride, guys. Don't forget, subscribe. You don't have to push notifications, just subscribe. I got nearly 800 followers on my Facebook, but only 230 subscribers on YouTube. So guys, head over and get on it. Take care, see you later.